It is Saturday. We are getting ready to head out to Hanover. Did she answer? Yeah. Okay. We're getting ready to head out to Hanover. Me, my friend Chantul, and Bacana. We're going to Chukka Cove today. Hold on, let me put in a catching. My skin is so dry. Oh my god. The ghetto. Yeah, so we are going to Chukka Cove. On a level of 10, how excited are you, Chantal?
Good.
10?
I'll be more excited
Once we're like on our way. I feel like when we get to like Mobe, I'll be like, oh my god.
Yeah. So it's a long drive.
It's a long drive. We have to go all the way to Hanover because we're going to the Sandy Bay one. Do I need anything else out of this bag? Purse, lotion, glasses. Yeah, so it's a long drive. So we're not looking forward to that. But and we booked our Airbnb in Runaway Bay. And then we're gonna come back tomorrow. So it should be a fun weekend. Yes, we're 30 minutes late already. Okay, so our trip to Chukka was... I'm like, this video is sponsored by... I'm kidding. It was given courtesy of Gustazos. So we bought the... I think it's the Ocean Triple or... Double?
Outpost.
Yeah, the Ocean Outpost Double.
Yeah.
I think that's what it was called, the double pass. But it was discounted. If you do go on the Chukka site, you'll see the pass. But Gustazos was offering it at like a cheaper rate. So we got 3 of them. And the pass has a party catamaran cruise. We're gonna fight with Carla. I'm already late, girl. We can't both be late. But
it's the big bag for me.
Content. That's why we heard cameras and stuff. We gotta get that content. But this man is about to water his grass, so like I want to be there, but just can't be so.
That's why I can't never live in houses. I ain't doing that shit.
With this though, the tripod and stuff.
No, I mean like houses. I don't.
Oh, like to water it.
Ugh.
Get a gardener.
Ugh.
Get a gardener, like I ground it.
You can put it in the back, in the trunk. Put it in the trunk.
That's probably her cameras and stuff. We kind of has like, we kind of is prepared. We love that. We love to see it. But yeah, we were saying, the package comes with a party catamaran cruise.
Yeah.
With a power snorkel, which is like the thing where it have like, I guess you call it a power snorkel, like the thing we're moving under the water.
Don't have the catamaran cruise.
Which should be fun because it seemed like drinks are included. I'm hoping it's included even though we did the Gustazos.
Yeah. And then we have the zip line, isn't it?
Yeah, and then we have a zip line, a water zip line thing. So it's not too high up, but it's like you zip line over the water kind of thing.
Yeah.
And then we also have another swing.
Yeah,
thing.
Yeah, and then like they have.
She's
like,
here.
Like infinity pool and
Good
stuff.
morning.
Why didn't put that in the trunk? Oh, that's a
Because I
camera.
still have something in it.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah, sorry. She's here.
I was in the middle of a Korean skincare routine.
Dead.
I'm sorry.
I mean, I was late, so y'all.
Yeah. So yeah, and then what else? And then I mean the property. It's one of the newer properties. They have a pool, like an infinity type pool, and then they also have. It's on the beach, and then they have overwater gazebos and swings, and it looks really nice on the pictures. So that's why I wanted to go to. Chateau was like, "Why are we going so far?" Because they had different ones, but I just thought the Sandy Bay one was very nice because they even offer like the pool and the beach access without like doing any activities.
Yeah.
Which I thought is really nice, you know, so it means that you should have a nice little, not like a crowd, but you know.
I hope not.
Yeah.
But
But
when
also
I go through there,
on the
Yeah,
runabouts and
yeah.
she just like, never mind.
Oh,
And the Avery, it has the Avery as well. So
yeah, I'm excited for that.
What's that?
it's like a where they have birds.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Yeah, so hopefully we can like feed them or something. That'd be cool. Like if you know,
Yeah,
get like
that'd
the
be
stuff in
nice.
your hand and you can feed them. That'd be cool.
Guys. Okay. I think I heard you talking about the power.
Power snorkel. Yeah.
It's the one that you hold on.
Yeah, to like the machine thing and then it like
Pushes you.
do the water. I'm kind of nervous for that because I don't know, like I have this. No, it's not even that, you know, because I tell people, oh, you can swim?
Really?
The thing is, my mom made me do a whole summer at YMCA and everything, but I feel like, because the thing is, I can swim, you know.
You can swim?
No, I tell people.
Swim.
No, I can swim. I did a whole summer thing, swim, everything. But you see how I learned to swim initially? I have trauma from that, and because of that, I just don't like water.
She's the person I went to Sunrise Fun just jumped off in the ocean.
Well, I jumped off in the ocean, but I had on like a life jacket, and I was like, I had somebody. I was also very tipsy, so it was just like easier to do. I had a swimmer beside me, so it was fine. And I also have a fear of the ocean. You know?
So do I. That's I'm not sure about the
I have a fear of the ocean, and then I just have trauma. The guy that taught me how to swim at my high school, he make me jump off of the thing, and I almost drowned. And the man just stick out a pole, and you have to like grab the pole. You know, how the hell are you gonna grab a pole in the water you can't see, and you're dying? You know, like, ooh, see, because we were just saying that I forgot to bring my pouch thing, the waterproof pouch, and Chantal brought hers. But Chantal's not sure she's going underwater.
If I get a swim cap, yeah.
Yeah, if we get a swim cap, then she's a go. But all of us are natural, so everybody here gonna get. We're gonna look crazy.
I'm telling you, natural short hair is.
It's
easy to maintain.
Yeah, that's what I'm going to say.
But
that
it's really not. It's really not easy to maintain.
Style is cute until it touches
water.
Exactly.
And that's what I was going to say. That all of us are natural, so all of us are gonna look crazy at the end of this.
I wanted to do that little style that they put the elastic band in the front, so at least if everything else mess up, the front look cute.
Yeah. Oh, you mean like the
crisscross type thing? Yeah.
So my thing is like if I can like. If my hair was longer, so I wouldn't have a problem. Like if I cut it off, I would have a problem.
You're going on the toe towards mandible?
No, we're going to Ochi. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Would I never reach her?
Oh yeah, cause we're going Hanover side. We're going Hanover side.
You guys have cash?
Yeah, we can ask if you have cash. Or we have to stop at the ATM.
Stop at the ATM. Please don't tell me.
How much is the total to go?
With their hair.
Bless him.
Alright. Bye, thank you.
Hey
man, you too.
Enjoy your weekend.
Hey, make sure to subscribe to Instagram and
YouTube.
I want to export some footage from my phone.
Oh.
I don't want to forget, so I'm gonna do this.
We're at the gas station topping off the oil in the engine. Somebody's engine almost got.
Thanks for the scandal.
It's not your fault.
It's a scandal.
Honestly not your fault. Honestly not, because she got it serviced the other day. And,
3 weeks ago, you shouldn't have.
Yeah.
Thank you so
And it's
much.
not like it's leaking or anything.
Yeah.
You need
Well,
to call
I
me
mean,
back.
you
You need to find out what happened.
It's full?
No, I'm not saying she's nervous.
guys, are we excited?
Yes.
We are excited. Yes.
Very excited. We might not sound it, but we are.
we are. Because we're on time-ish. And the times for the tours are perfect. You know, I'm gonna buy water shoes. Because they actually sell them pretty reasonable inside. Black or like Chantel's own with like the purple on it.
Yeah.
So, me either.
Alright, because you always see my Dutch River.
Yeah, they're the best thing to wear. Okay.
Huh?
We're looking for a size. Oh, we can find size 6. You would know, right? Because no, like a black, like a full black or yeah. Well, a 6.5. You guys have half sizes or just okay? So a size 7, like a full black or one with the purple on it. Purple 7. What's up, Ito?
Yes. Orange.
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna go with the Jamaica color one.
Oh, it looks like it's fitish.
Can I have an 8.5? If it's Jamaica one,
We're gonna get this one.
sizes, they have 8.
8 or 9.
8? I guess I'll do 8. In the Jamaica one.
I think she have to look in
There's
the.
none in the Jamaica.
They do them by size. Is this black? Yes. Oops.
Alright.
Yeah, this is.
That's it.
Huh?
That's okay.
Yeah, you think?
So what size is that actually?
6.
So 6 is what you wear?
Yeah, I wear 6 to 7. My foot is very weird. Yeah, thank you so much. Right. Hello. Finally, we can do our horseback. We've been waiting. I don't know. Maybe for this part inside there, and then out there you just get life jacket. So out in the water they get a life jacket, and on land they get a helmet. Yeah. We've been waiting for almost 45 minutes.
All the first time, like on a horse. Yeah, on a horse, all the first time. Go forward, like keep the horse in the top.
Did you get footage?
Yes, I got footage.
Like, I wish I got to do it another time.
No, I'm scared. I'm petrified.
Yeah, my horse was out of breath.
Hi. No, my horse.
What you doing for your dear life? I don't blame you, girl. You get off the platform.
We're risking it out here. Go for the dance floor. Don't stop after recording. Did you see the footage? Did you see what was going on? They're going on YouTube, by the way. Hello, this is live. Okay, it's live.
This is live. Hi.
I think it's going on YouTube.
Oh my God. Hold on, wait.
Hi y'all, so we're heading back into Kingston and I just want to end the vlog. Since most of the vlog that you would have seen at Chukka, we didn't talk much because there was a lot of loud music, so we couldn't really talk because YouTube would give us a lot of copyright strikes and you probably wouldn't be able to hear us, to be honest. So we just want to give you guys a rundown of the Chukka experience. First of all, it was lit. It was so fun. Again, we went to the Sandy Bay Ocean Outpost one, which is in it's in Sandy Bay. It's in Sandy Bay, Hanover. Really great experience. We're passing another Chukka. But this is what Chukka Runaway Bay?
Yeah, I would want this one, but just for the ATVs.
Yeah. But you know the one that we were at had the ATVs too?
I know, but we don't have to.
You want different one, yeah. And the one that we went to, there were other activities to do. We did the zipline, the horseback riding, and the catamaran snorkel thing. I didn't even know the horseback was included in our package, but it was. So that was a decent
the water
surprise.
one, right?
Yeah. And that one. No, we need to talk about this step by step. Like, first of all, which one we did first? The horseback.
The horseback on the
guys. The horseback was amazing, right? The first half. Let me say, the first half was amazing. Great, very nice. The
calming. Think about life.
Yeah, like it was really good. But we had to do the end part of the horse riding was a thing that you do in the water, the sea, and it's a small little part that you go in the water for. You probably
like a deep,
5 minutes.
It was like a deep part. It was like a deep part though.
Yeah. And the horses had to basically walk into the water, swim at one part, like they swim in the water with you, and then they get back on like I think they dump up the water. You can kind of see like they dump up into sand areas in there that the horses can walk on. But baby, we thought the horses were drowning. We were just like, oh my god,
I thought I was drowning.
Our horses are gonna drown.
No,
really?
I was like,
your horse was really. He's a good swimmer. Yeah. He's a good swimmer. Then I think all of them are good swimmers, but some of them I can tell that they're very like anxious. Like the horses, some of them get anxious in the water.
I think they feel off your vibe.
Yes, so they get very anxious.
There was like my horse.
There was a guy.
My horse is drowning.
There was a guy behind us. I don't know where he's from, but he's not Jamaican, and he was like, I thought my horse is gonna die. He was like, my horse is drowning. My house is drowning. Oh my god. Yeah, I kind of felt bad for
And
him.
then I was
because it's
screaming
like,
a little bit too.
yeah, she was freaking out in front of me. I really wish I could have videoed it, but it was just so. We went down
It was
in the water.
quick. It was so intense. Like
Yeah. We could not film. And you want both of your arms on the horse. You don't want your hand. Maybe you're pudding man.
You want pudding?
Not really.
Yeah. I did not.
We're passing the pudding man in Priory. But yeah, y'all, like my horse in particular, and I never wanted that horse, you know, because I've noticed that I kind of want to say that he struggles a little bit with the weight and swimming.
He was struggling.
Yeah, he was struggling a little bit, and I felt so bad after. I was like, I'm never doing this again. I feel bad for the horse.
Yeah.
But some of them are more confident swimmers, I feel like, and some of them
I
aren't
think
so
with
confident.
my horse was confident.
But the guy,
my horse was trying to show off. I'm like, I wasn't ready. I wasn't ready. Mine was like, yeah, it's like I'm gonna give you an experience. And so he did. He was like,
yeah, I almost fell off my horse, and that's when I started screaming because I was like, oh my god! Like, listen, my horse went sideways. I don't know if maybe he stopped, like him stand on maybe the sand part, and then him slip. So he went like this, and I was going down with him, and I was just like, yeah, it was.
You guys want to steal a goat?
No, you want curry goat?
I'm gonna raise it in my backyard.
Your backyard, girl. You ain't got no space for a goat.
Balcony.
But guys, yeah, it was really fun. Oh, she's showing the clips, but they're gonna see this in the vlog. I'm gonna insert some of the. Oh, but this is your clip. Yeah, this is the horse in the water. Like, oh my god. Oh, your horse swam so nice.
That's
so graceful.
Very calm and
Very
nice.
calm, so graceful. Oh my goodness. Yeah, guys.
Is this where the orange are lobster?
I'm not sure. But also, guys, what also made people scared was just the breathing. The sound of the horse's breathing was very heavy. I guess, you know, you're in the water, you're trying to keep your head above, they have the weights on them, so they're breathing really hard. And they're like, it's very deep breathing. And some of them, you can tell the water is going in their nose or their mouth, and it's salt water. So they're like, them, you know the sound that they make when they're trying to blow air? They did that a lot. Some of them did it more than others.
As we said, like being out on a Sunday. Yeah, just so like driving.
Yeah, it's
God damn.
I'm gonna tell the kids that in the future. Sundays, like maybe dragons used to come outside and we'd have to stay inside. Just only for that.
So they don't make it come out on Sundays.
You know what depressing for me, if I was a curfew and a lockdown, not to be thinking like, okay, what am I gonna eat tomorrow? What do I need to buy today? Or like, what am I gonna have to buy at 3 o'clock for the curfew for 6 o'clock? Yeah. I was the most annoying part for me, but we're out on a Sunday.
Yes, we're no longer on curfew in Jamaica on Sunday.
No.
If you're,
we still have curfew.
Guys, let's
not locked down.
let's make a bet. I think after New Year's we're gonna go back into a no movement day.
Of course.
Yeah.
Because they know the spike is coming. The spike is gonna come after Christmas period. So, but yes, guys, great experience at Chukka.
What about the zip line?
The zip line
I
was
love
so
it.
scary.
I wish it was longer. I wish it was longer. Yeah, I love it.
I was ready to get the hell out of there.
And but it walked out is because it was shaking and we didn't know what to expect. But once I dropped down, I'm like, oh damn.
Yeah. And I wish for the water we actually immersed in the water a little bit.
I think they
splashed.
Yeah.
They splashed in the water at the end. But that zip line thing, I was trying to get the.
No, I loved it.
I was trying to get the hell out of there.
I loved every minute.
And then on each of the things that we had to stand to go on the zip
that
again,
I didn't like.
it was shaking.
That
And I was just like, I'm gonna die.
That I didn't like.
It was so scary, but it was fun. But for every single one, I closed my eyes when they pushed me off.
And then you open it once you like.
I opened it once I felt secure.
Yeah.
I was like, okay, you know, stick out your legs. You know, you're okay, you're fine.
Yeah, I liked it.
I had to do a little pep talk in my head, but I'm happy that I did it because it's me conquering fears, you know?
You know what? It's a lot calmer than the one at YS Falls. Y'all would die.
Oh my god.
I would actually love to do that.
Trust
I
me.
feel like I should do it
It's
just
a
to.
long, yeah, you should. It's a longer and it's through bushes.
I think I should do it just to kind of get myself, like, you know, conquering fears. Just do it. Because I was like, what the hell did we sign up for today? Like, what the hell are
The
we
tree
doing?
house made me feel like that, but once I went down, I was like, Alright.
But it's a really good experience, and I think everybody should try to do it at least once in their life. I can tick it off my bucket list and say yes, I've ziplined, you know.
Yeah. And then
Finally, the snorkel party boat.
oh my god, I'm amazing.
Amazing. Chantal didn't come with us. Chantal slept. First of all, Chantal was sleeping when we got back, but she came on the boat with us, of course. But she didn't want to come into the water because you know we have natural hair. But what we realized after doing the tour is that your hair is not completely submerged in the water because it's really just your face, you know, because you're looking down and you're just floating on the top of the water. You're not really getting submerged, you know.
Yeah.
So our hair didn't wet. So it was just like the front and the back.
I know what? I looked into my bag like when we got to the Airbnb last time. I had a hat.
You had one if I oh wow.
Yeah. I had a hat.
But it was really nice. It was a great experience, and I was kind of nervous
Bringing up stuff.
because I have a fear of the ocean. So I was like, oh my god, like I hope nothing comes and eats me. But then what I kept telling myself is like, okay, it's shallow water, so I mean, what's gonna be in shallow water to come and eat me? You know?
He said it was only about 6-7 feet.
Yeah, it really wasn't that deep, but it was beautiful to like look and see the fishes and the coral reef and all of that. It was very nice. They brought up some of the little
Sea urchin.
Yeah.
Brought up a sea urchin.
He
and
brought
then
up-
some type of.
We saw sea cucumber. Did you see that?
Yes.
A sea cucumber.
I guess that's a favorite for them to
Yeah.
talk about Jamaica's. You know what?
Yeah, but it was a very good experience. The whole thing was a great experience. After the snorkel, then you get they open the bar, so you can start drinking on the boat, and then they play the Jamaican music mostly, and it was just really fun. The Chukka team is vibes.
Oh,
Straight vibes.
Patrona, that was her name.
Yeah, Patrona, the life of the girl. You deserve all the tips.
Very good.
Patrona got asked for days.
But the whole team was vibes, and I can
And
say
the
though,
what you call them?
the DJ,
The microphone.
The MC.
the MC
he was yeah.
hype man. He was a great hype man. Great hype man. But also I think just the team overall at Chukka, they have a really good team. You know, everybody was really nice.
Big up
Howard.
Howard.
Big up Howard. Oh my god, Howard, we were looking for you. But I think when we got back from the catamaran, everybody was gone.
Yeah.
So we didn't get to
Thank
see
God.
Howard because we were trying to tip Howard
I'm going
nice.
on TripAdvisor.
We wanted to tip Howard nice because Howard was
Yeah, he
amazing.
informed us so much about the horses.
Yes,
Yeah.
he was a part of the horse tour, so he was keeping our company, talking to us, telling us different things about the horses, and you know, some of the horses are actually polo horses, and he was just like explaining things to us. He was just very nice, and he was good.
And he
vibes.
took our video.
And he took our videos for us, you know.
Oh yeah, I did my horse video.
Yes, and he did it like with such kindness, because you know he didn't have
You
a
still have
problem.
it on your phone?
Yeah,
Can
I
you
think I
drop
have
it?
them. Because even when we went into the water, we said, Howard, can you get a video? Like, he was down for all of it, you know? We're just like, yeah, man, I got you, no worries. Howard is all the vibes.
Yeah.
So big up to Howard. But yes, it was a great experience, guys. I definitely want to do more Chukka tours.
Yeah, definitely.
It's definitely a must. If you are not Jamaican and you plan on coming to Jamaica, do it.
Yeah.
20 out of 10, highly recommend. Do it.
Yeah, we'll
Sandy
make sure
Bay,
you
I
sleep
can
before.
sleep the day before, okay? Sleep the day before because you're gonna be tired. We didn't get to chill as much like by the pool and stuff like we wanted to because our tours were back to back. But if you come early and they schedule your tours properly, then you'll have time.
They lied about the time. You ain't gotta be there no damn 8 o'clock or 9.
Well, you can be there early if you want to do like a
hang
full
out.
day.
True.
Yeah, because you can hang out by the pool. You know, get drinks. There's a restaurant there and everything, and you don't even have to be doing tours to go there.
You know?
No, you can pay. You can pay to just chill by the pool and go to the restaurant and stuff. But Sandy Bay, I highly